Imagine doubling your affiliate sales with just one simple tweak to your Pinterest strategy. Stay tuned to uncover the secret Pinterest analytics tricks top marketers are using right now. Ever wondered why some Pinterest accounts seem to explode overnight, amassing clicks, saves, and most importantly, sales, while others tread water? The difference could lie in understanding and leveraging Pinterest analytics. Today, we're peeling back the curtain on this powerful tool to help you boost your affiliate sales, engage more deeply with your audience, and fine-tune your strategy for success. First off, accessing Pinterest analytics is simpler than you might think, but it's the gold mine of insights that can truly transform your Pinterest game. Assuming you already have a business account because that's your ticket to analytics, start by clicking on the Analytics tab from your profile. Here you'll find a dashboard brimming with data about your pin's performance, audience insights, and trends that could inform your next big hit. But what's the first thing you should look at? Impressions? Clicks? Nope, it's about understanding your audience. Knowing who interacts with your content allows you to tailor your pins more effectively. Imagine creating content that resonates so well with your audience that they can't help but engage. It's like speaking their language, and Pinterest Analytics gives you the vocabulary. Picture having the power to peek into the minds of your Pinterest followers to truly understand what makes them tick. That's exactly what Pinterest Analytics allows you to do. But the magic doesn't stop with just knowing who they are. It's about digging into those crucial data points that tell you how your content is performing. Think of it as the secret sauce to boosting your visibility and engagement on the platform. Now, key metrics might sound a bit daunting, but they're really just signposts guiding you towards what's working and what's not. Engagement metrics like impressions, clicks, and saves are the bread and butter of Pinterest analytics. Impressions tell you how often your pins show up on someone's screen. It's like knowing how many people walked past your shop window. Clicks, on the other hand, are those who found your shop window so captivating they walked in to take a closer look. And saves. That's the ultimate compliment, a sign they love what they see so much they want to keep it for later. But the real game changer, audience insight. This is where you get to see the demographics and interests of your followers. Are they into do-it-yourself projects, fashion, or maybe a bit of gourmet cooking? By understanding the landscape of their interests, you tailor your content to speak directly to their passions. It's like setting up a shop that sells exactly what they didn't know they needed. Envision having a crystal ball that could tell you exactly what your audience loves, when they're most active, and which of your creative efforts resonate most. Well, guess what? That crystal ball exists, and it's called analytics. Specifically, for affiliate marketers on platforms like Pinterest, analytics offer a treasure trove of insights that can drastically up your game. Now, think about the pins you create. Every pin is like a mini campaign, a whisper into the vast digital ocean. But how do you ensure it doesn't just evaporate? You optimize. You see, analytics tell us not just who sees or interacts with our content, but when they do it. This means you can tailor your pin design to match peak engagement times, ensuring your content rides the wave rather than sinks into the abyss. But it's not just about the timing. The secret sauce, tailoring your content based on what your analytics are whispering to you. If your fashion pins are hitting it off, but your do-it-yourself projects are gathering dust, it's a sign. Shift your focus, refine your strategies, and watch as engagement with your content doesn't just climb, it soars. Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Now, onto pin design. The colors, the imagery, the text, they all speak directly to someone's decision to click, save, or scroll past. By analyzing what styles and themes perform best, you can craft pins that are virtually irresistible. Imagine creating pins that not only catch the eye, but capture the heart and curiosity of your audience, making them hungry for more. Analytics isn't just about numbers, it's about stories. The story of your audience, their preferences, their peak times. And in the world of affiliate marketing, the right story can turn passive scrolling into active engagement. But here's where it gets even more interesting. How do you apply these insights to not just match, but anticipate the desires of your audience. How does tailoring your content based on analytics change the way you approach affiliate marketing on visual platforms? In the world of affiliate marketing, understanding the whispers of analytics can turn your strategy from guesswork into a finely tuned engine driving towards success. Picture having a map that shows you exactly where the treasure lies. That's what analytics offers to those willing to listen. It's not just about seeing which pins or posts got the most likes or shares. It's about decoding the why behind every click and save. Start with the basics. Look at your top performing content. What patterns do you see? Is it the burst of colors in your images, or perhaps the way you phrase your captions? This is your audience telling you what works. Now, think about how you can replicate this success across other aspects of your affiliate content. Could you use similar imagery or captions that spark joy or curiosity? Now, here's where the real game begins. Tailoring your content isn't just about repeating what worked. It's about anticipating needs. Use your analytics to understand not just the likes and preferences of your audience, but their problems and questions too. What are they searching for? What solutions can you offer? This is how you create content that resonates on a deeper level, turning passive viewers into engaged followers and customers. Engagement peaks are gold mines. Posting your content at these times ensures maximum visibility, but it's also about being consistent. Can you commit to a schedule that matches these peak periods? Consistency builds trust, and trust builds a loyal audience. And here comes the twist: personalization. With analytics, you can segment your audience, tailoring your messages and recommendations to different groups. Envision sending out targeted messages that feel like they're speaking directly to the individual needs and desires of each segment of your audience. This is how you move from broad appeal to personal connection, significantly boosting your conversion rates. What if you started experimenting with these insights today? What sort of transformation could your affiliate marketing strategy undergo? How could this affect your engagement rates or your conversion rates? Engagement data isn't just numbers on a screen. It's the voice of your audience telling you what they love, what catches their eye, and importantly, what drives them to interact. Picture this: you've run a variety of promotions, from contests to themed boards on Pinterest, and your engagement data is the key to unlocking which of these techniques truly resonates with your audience. First, consider contests. Who doesn't love winning something? But it's not just about giving away prizes. The real magic lies in seeing which contests get the most entries, shares, and comments. Is it a photo contest on Instagram, or perhaps a trivia challenge on Twitter? Each interaction is a vote towards what your audience finds most appealing. Now, switch gears to themed boards. Suppose you've created a seasonal board on Pinterest full of fall fashion or summer recipes. The number of saved, pins, and comments can reveal a goldmine of information. Which themes are getting the most love? Is it the cozy autumn vibes or the vibrant summer flavors? This engagement data helps you understand what themes resonate most, allowing you to tailor future content and promotions more precisely. By analyzing this engagement data, you're doing more than just counting likes and shares. You're listening to your audience's preferences, adapting your strategies to fit their taste. It's about creating a feedback loop where your promotional strategies and your audience's desires align more closely over time. Understanding your audience's engagement data from past promotions isn't just about appreciating numbers. It's about unraveling the story behind those interactions. Take, for instance, the contests you ran. Did you notice a spike in engagement when you introduced a specific type of contest? That's your audience telling you what excites them, what they want more of. Now, imagine leveraging that insight for your affiliate promotions. Think about integrating those winning elements into your next campaign. Maybe it's incorporating user-generated content or creating a contest that encourages participation through comments or shares directly within the affiliate promotion framework. Now, consider those themed boards you've created. They're not just collections. They're a peek into your audience's preferences. Did a certain theme outperform others? That's gold. Use that theme as a launching pad for your next affiliate campaign. create a series of posts, emails, or even a dedicated board that ties back to that theme, weaving in your affiliate products in a way that feels natural and engaging. Remember, the goal is to make your promotions so compelling that your audience doesn't just see an ad. They see value, entertainment, and a community they want to engage with. It's about creating a seamless blend of content and promotion that resonates with your audience's already expressed interests and preferences. But how can we take this one step further? How can we not just meet our audience where they are, but anticipate where they're headed? Think about upcoming trends in your niche. Can you tie these trends to your affiliate promotions, making your content not just relevant, but pioneering?